Would you like to cook this dairy-free and gluten-free bread and butter pudding? Watch the video to learn how to make this bad boy. Hey guys, the great thing about this recipe is it's so friggin' easy to do, and you're not going to notice the difference that it's actually dairy-free and gluten-free. So if you want the ingredients list, just look at the description. It's all in there, or jump on my website shaycooper.com and the recipe's also on there. You really are going to be amazed of how easy and how simple and how bloody yummy this recipe is. It's going to take you back to your childhood when your mother first made you bread and butter pudding. I remember when my mum first made it for me, and at the time I wasn't diagnosed with celiac disease, but I remember it being absolutely delightful, and I'm gonna say I don't notice much difference in this recipe neither, guys. It is really straightforward to make, and you are going to be absolutely amazed. I've probably said that about 3 times now, but it is actually the truth. Yes, I maybe need to have less sugar at this moment in time in my life as well. So if you do not allow to have sugar, monk fruit sugar is the way to go. Yum.